Welcome back to SendMailer Pro. In this tutorial, we'll create an email template, the reusable message body you will later use in a campaign. The email subject, sender account, recipient list, and sending options are selected later when you create the campaign. The Templates tab is organized into 3 areas. On the left, you have your template library with folders and sample templates. In the center, you can preview the selected template. On the right, the inspector shows notes, detected merge fields, and quick actions. You can start from an existing sample by selecting it and clicking Duplicate. In this tutorial, we'll create a new template from scratch. Click New Template, enter a clear name, and optionally add a short description. Because this is a blank template, SendMailer Pro asks whether we want to start with an email layout. Click Yes. The email layout gallery contains email-safe starter layouts. You can filter them by category, preview each layout, and decide whether to replace the whole document or insert the layout at the cursor position. For most simple messages, single column is a safe choice. Click Insert Layout. The template editor works like a rich text editor. The Home tab is for text formatting and alignment. The Insert tab is for layouts, tables, images, icons, hyperlinks, and unsubscribe links. The View tab includes output previews and advanced document tools. The bottom toolbar is used for personalization with contact lists and merge fields. Now replace the placeholder content with your own message. Keep the email short and focused. Use a clear header, a simple greeting, a few short paragraphs or bullet points, and a professional signature. To personalize the email, select a contact list from the bottom toolbar. I'll choose Standard Customers. SendMailer Pro now loads the fields available in that list, such as first name, last name, company, and position. Merge fields are placeholders that are replaced with real contact data during sending. Place the cursor where the dynamic value should appear, click Insert Merge Field, and choose a field. For example, insert first name in the greeting and company inside the message body. You can also use built-in fields such as nowdate. Click Preview Merge Data to see how the email looks with real contact data. Use the navigation buttons to move between contacts. If the editor shows a warning that a merge field is not found in the selected contact list, click the warning for details. Then add the missing column, choose a different contact list, or remove that merge field from the template. You can also add small visual elements. Go to Insert, then Icon Library. Select an icon, adjust its size, and add alt text if the icon has meaning. If the icon is only decorative, mark it as decorative. For marketing emails, add an unsubscribe option in the footer. Click Insert, then Unsubscribe. The simple option is Unsubscribe by email. The advanced option is Unsubscribe by link, which uses a web URL and is better suited for automated opt-out processing. Before saving, check the output. Text Preview shows the plain text version of the message. PDF Preview lets you inspect the layout visually. When the template is ready, click Save or Save and Close. Back in the Templates tab, the inspector shows the template details and detected merge fields. You can duplicate the template later to create variations without starting from scratch. That's it. You now know how to create an email template, start from a layout, edit the content, insert merge fields, preview real contact data, add icons, include an unsubscribe option, and save the finished message. In the next tutorial, we'll use this template to create and send an email campaign.